vibes. Read it. Are you feeling? Turn the microphone, please. Hey. No, I've been here all days of my life. What's up? Turn on the microphone. Some be share, others who has their life. Some are just up and some are pretty. Jamaica, Thailand. Some don't feel like somebody so cool. Greetings to the name of the Most High. It's Imperial Majesty. Emperor of the King Selassie. Well, no, I've been here all days of my life. Well, soon the choir will be over my side. Some be share, others who has their life. Some are just let me see you wave your hands. Well then, some don't feel like it's like waiting to see a fall. Yes, I'm holding. Let's stop. You know time is against us. How you feeling? I want to say greetings and pleasant welcome. Just like in the holidays, you know it's a sense of reggae. And I want to say give thanks for your presence. Yo! Well, come and we go mash them down with our sister that I hide them a hide. Prove them a book and we go mash them down. Emperor said I say I never tell you truth. Come and we go mash them down. Sister that I hide them a hide. Prove them a book and we go mash them down. Oh yeah yeah. Hey hey. Well, little children, I said to honor your mother's on you. Tell them I done. I said to love you, honor. Yes, and I see I am proud. In a this essence of reggae, yeah, so with it, where they are, yeah. Find Babylon, but that's still out of lava. We gon' be ghetto youth with up on every corner. We gon' be teachers with nurses on the corner. I mean, no love, no living for. Yo, come and go, wash them down. Hey! You know what's happening. Thank you. When people keep your answer. Represent your culture, represent your country, represent yourself. Hey, simplicity we use. Many for the music. Big up each and every one this morning. You know the more vibe on the stage. Hey, burning fire, yeah. Hey, cruising. Hey, simplicity we use this. Many for the difficult because they ignorant and die. Simplicity we use to survive. Burn the for the seas and the skies. Tell you now, simplicity we use to survive. Then they found the difficult because they ignorant. Simplicity we, yo, Lord, love yourself and bounce around. Mr. Wonder, when you got the one back up on the tonight, I'm the multiply, if I'm the signal. It's not the lava banana, but seven other evil as worms. Essence of Reggae, the meditation of your heart, the pure conscious heart, the understanding and the smart. Emperor Selassie shine the light in you from your heart. Simplicity we use this up, and they found it difficult because they're ignorant. Simplicity with you, what you man when I Selassie I Joe Rastafari. Selassie, I shall take us out. Peace and love and gracious blessings. Bless each and every one this morning. What do you say? Guide over us, Emperor Sabula. Yes, Uta bless. Uta bless. We don't work for the heart. We don't work for keep the ears on straight. Mr. Engineer, give me a little more microphone on the stage. There's some problem on the stage. Guide over us. Emperor Selassie, I am your road. Rugged and steep, I know this is a must. For us to make it all be through the national teach. I love Mr. Engineer, give me a little more volume on the stage, please. Mr. Engineer, turn up the volume. Alright? Whoa, yeah. Whoa. Yeah, okay. Well, these are those who constantly they have been placing. They're back to the top, standing with them, them translating. And they stand with them, age to be falling. But in the face, the witness are your pricing. First of all, we're making it up to my way. No apology, fire burn them every day. Conspiracy, let the gang play. Now the fall, underneath with all my say. I love and rose, Emperor Selassie. In your road, it's a rugged and steep. I know it is a must. Hey, for us to make it home, if we do that, the nationality. I love and rose, Emperor Selassie. I ask that these would ever get weak. I know it is a must. Here we are, Selassie, I show. Rastafari, thank you. Big up all the fans them. Holy man when I smash it. And that's something about it. Stop rap with me. Alright. Hey, woman, all who born funny man, push up your lighter. All who born funny man, lighter. Don't get my money now. Stop rap with me. Alright. There's nothing in the system. A Christian created honor. All who born bad man, push up your lighter. Mr. Engineer, can I get one on the stage, please? Oh, I didn't want one on the stage. They're not different from those scrubs and Pharisees who come out. Hey, they're not in the skylark in the street, flirt in the town. They never done positive. All the time I try to keep people busy with their own. Dance a yard before you dance abroad. Hey, that's the part of the money fire because it carry good away. Somebody say, pull up. All the police officers club with them. You think we don't know over there? Police them now get enough money. That's why them get so stressful. And I kill off if you fuck it up. The nurses and the doctors them now get enough pay. The police and the soldiers them now get enough pay for police the community. Then stress out. And them a take it out on the nation. And for the next time now, we as the people who say we are part of the nation, we are do some evilous things. And we are cut out them things, alright? So me I say, answer there, I hear the Almighty and burn Satan. What the man when I say that, say, I Joe? There's nothing in the system. Pull a pass. What are they? What are they? I'm go up to the hospital. And the hospital needs some new devices. You see me? A University of Technology is supposed to have manufacture tablets, phones, all them little devices that will look through your head and see next side. An X-ray machine, a University of Technology supposed to do that in another time, yeah. And I make them things there for University of the West Indies. So the hospital them there in a very deplorable state. I'm gonna laugh with the next track. And then ramp me around tonight. Next track and stop ramp. Yo, you think me ready yet? Me not attack up on style. Me not work for the art. Who are powerful people go right. Alright, I should have one you don't know when to mix. You don't know when to mix. When we adjust the show, we don't have much time on the stage. I'm gonna keep it clean and stop wrong with me. Burn again. Here we go. Why should I? Whatever. Don't fight vanity. Why should I? Whatever my sister. For the least of when I know it's the father. Lives on the rain and the rule over everything. Nothing I know what's gonna mix the one level. Hey, hey, Bossa Blanc. No man can't take off your pants, Bossa Blanc. No man can't. Bossa Blanc. No man can't take off your. You're this again. Well, the people that became a victim, wow, because the system has made it. Don't gonna pull up. Pass. And around with me, line up. Pay attention and go over there to the banner. All the ladies up front, you see them sitting there where we have on. Line up. Our uniform them here. Wear something Africa. Hey, excuse me ladies, pay attention. Listen, I get fired you know. Line up and stop rap. Which bar we there? What the venue name? Where name? Talk loud. Over here someone for burn the real fire. Me I walk up and down all over the world about fire. Real fire. I saw the woman them for dress, yeah? And you can cover them thing too. Cause when the man them see them something, yeah, they get horny. That's why when Rasta pray a Bobo Hill, the Empress have to cover them here. Cause some man just see the woman them here and get crazy. You know? So if you cover them skin. So the police officers club. So Africa set it long time where our uniform this. Like our police in the uniform for dress. And nobody ridicule it. No funny man brand. What me say? Alright, Josie, big up yourself. Bugle, big up yourself. Spragga Benz. Father Fred Locks, the Starliner, still a sailor, me a sailor, run it. Big up Marcus Gavin, thank you very much. When I run put it, I will not waste the time for more artists there. We just come for Trump for Babylon and go to. Can't feel it, arrest the officers club. Yo, they are cause if they ain't got no sense. And I know them under false pretense. Because if they are your closest friend, all them girls that can't dance, man. Yo, hey, Sandarin and bad influence. Slander your neighbor, they can't take your strength. Hypocrite and traitors, the whole of them are up at a man of them out. Yo, hey, Rastafari is my shield and the coach. So when things broke loose, Let's check. You have no more artists to work. Don't waste it. At 2:30 we say. Alright? People just go and live with me and be with me. And bring up some blossoms. At 2:30 I'm going to do some different frequency. Well, the outkeeper God man. Always keep a joy when they I get the vibe and I stood by. When I warm up on the limbs, them and think now. When I wake up, hey, oh, just bless us. Can I put a little more trouble in the microphone, Mr. Engineer? Put a little more trouble in the microphone. Alright, you ready again? When the lighter down the phone, you know, phone is. Push up the lighter. Well, chorus the man, solid as a just get. People listen this and that. Just get. People when they set their traps, they just get. Even when they set up their traps, they just get. Okay, your cousin they're coming, they leave us out. I just into one of them. Just elect into my but I go on my they come to without the hands. I'm trying to equalize. King and King says the fire. Chorus the man. Pull up. So I'm pretty and sexy. Me no want no raper man in our country. It's about raper man. It's about funny man. First of all, I want to say thank you very much for supporting Essence of Reggae. My name is Negril Orlando Collins, 17 April 1976. They call me Sizzla Kalonji and call me. Me not even about get on funny man, you know. All who about funny man push up in lighter. Alright, sing it out. I'm a church children, shall God bless us. I want to say thank you very much for representing the song. I trust that we go. I never don't tell. Good friends, are you free now? Let me see you wave it. Hey, your soul in his heart. All the best, baby. And I've got. Don't you know? All the care I share, and I got all the love to. This is for you, my. Big up the artists, them, and big up the fans, them. Blessing to. Alright. Oh, yeah. This is for. I don't need to take up much time. I know artists they have for bonfire. I mean, I have no fire for bonfire, but I want to warm up a stage. Say you hear the voice of the Rastaman. Sing it loud, man, Babylon here, you know. Sing loud. Babylon goes round down, where the evil is alive. Babylon goes round down. Everybody goes and jump on Babylon. Well, I'm say I. Everyone jump on Babylon. Hey, I. Well, I'm say I. Fire rise, after fire, repatriation. I. Thank you. Big up Rough Cut Band on this time. Thank you very much. Oh no, I am as a sucker's man, I see you. We are working, yo. Hey, take these words and then. Me and the boys are always at a party if we start mix. You know, you're the police and myself, 3 o'clock again. Oh, yeah, see you up around here, son. We are work to the time and I have to win. Big up the artists, I give another place. Octane, Bugle, Spragger, big up everyone. Yo! Words on the man, to the woman right now. I want to hear the beautiful ladies scream. Ain't no party without the ladies. You gotta be the best of yourself, and every day it's been filled with new possibilities. It's just for you to go ahead and chart that part for yourself, your nation, and your children, alright? So the man never love the woman, say, woman. So no violence. Even though I'm a bonfire, I'm a bonfire vibe. I don't love violence. So nobody try it no way. In the island, yeah? Cut all them thing there. Too much to be losing so much. Alright? So I could just unite the thing, support the artists them. For what they are only for artists are getting in trouble. When you kind of cut out something there. Alright? The artists might put some different time and suck thing in the lyrics. cut out the song there, alright? We don't use a certain type of lyrics. We don't have sing some gangster thing that the lyrics are ready for dub plate. You know me I talk about, so I'm sing for the girls, I'm sexy. Nice up that. Now put the sucky thing in the thing, we don't like it. Them thing never get me crazy. Just think we not laugh. We don't cut it out. Next track. Bang it! So me have blessed up the girls from Sizzla. Me not have lamp on this stage. Wanna come from the fire. Yeah! Oh woman, I need you like never before. African woman, yeah. Oh woman, I need you like never before. Oh woman, I need you like never before. Any man when I love woman, go through the gate. Now for the man I there, say no. Hey, don't you matter what people might say, black woman, you're my. I need you, girl, every night and day to be with you. That's the very thing. So let us be together. Goodness is what I prefer. Look at the joy we bring. And life is so much better. Yeah, yeah. Jamaica rule the world. Hey, friends, come and tell your voice. Little girl, you're the one that don't deserve. So let me take it by your hands. About the first we're on this earth. Pick up the Jamaican woman, real mother hurt. I need you. Like, take it away, I'll give my next second. Don't waste people time. Hey! I want to say thank you very much for supporting Sizzla. Big up all my fans. And big up all of the rest of the fans them too. Yeah, yeah. I progress we stand at 2024. You know me I say? Pushing the key, turn the lock and open the door. Hey! Well, yes, you got to be strong. And you'll bless you. Somebody say pull up. Rasta man of is strong. As we wouldn't there so tonight in a police officers club. So like over the police officers club, we are going to echo the anthem and Holy Emmanuel I Selassie I pull up. You know long Prince Emmanuel where the government of Jamaica support repatriation. Marcus Garvey wanted the same. Nanny and everyone. We are well embedded and rooted in our culture, will not change. Alright? So no need for no indigenous language. You remember COVID? When COVID I go on the stage show, you could have gone. Hey, Ronnie, come and get the next piece of the stage. Yo! Hey! We got the guys from somewhere. We got all the rest of them. Hey, get the youth, cut out the violence. Get the rich and combine in Africa. Now I don't need a dry cry. Never tell, you ain't come along. But who's for no one of us? Things go worse can't us. Beyond the human reasoning journeys. Somebody some pull up star. Sure. Some more fire. Hey, I wanna try. We not ready to pull it up to them. Yeah, there's no one on me. Try cry. Even tears, even my heart cry. But who? He almost got no one. Never put in a little next time. Alright, no one on me. No, you're back to the best round in charge. The things they have animation. Well, no, you're back to the. I look clean, we have here. Mr. Party. Yo. No. Pull up. Run back the song. Time up here, strong and birds acting and music. Africa, dry cry, even my heart, engineer one, who's part no one on my side. Things do, I went to the engineer, beyond the human reasoning, joy mix it. No, we're gonna talk over this place, black people. Talk over the world. Yo, why does it have to be this? I tell you. Jamaica say, just one of those days. Just one of those days. Engineer, walk to the sing them. Because the taxi man, them are not rape nobody and take on nobody and bring them home. How you feeling? Hey, 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 hey. Where do you go? Don't you need my love? Where are you going? What are you? Boom, push up the light. What's all the thing, baby? Put up a light on them for the girls, you know. Nice up a place, so we can't get defend you next time. On fire and keep it clean. Give me a try, your side. I want me, oh my, don't I'm gonna tell the man with my girlfriend, some more fire. The man with my baby mother, push up a light on him. Sure, warm me and warm up. I'm gonna take I'm gonna. Can I hear you sing the second verse? Then the nights don't you cry no good. It just what? Hey, I'm not stupid. I'm not tough. You know what I'm doing. Oh, you're feeling how you're feeling already. How you feeling within yourself? Thank you very much for supporting. God bless you. I'm gonna. Let's go. Thank you, girls. Hey. Hey. Love it. Hear me now, optimistic, I'm all with the flow. Oh yeah, it's a classic and everybody know. When I'm doing the show, the girls are fully front row. We no love no funny man to blow, 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 blow. Them think them could have stopped me presence. Essence of reggae, me I carry the essence. Smoke the marijuana, light up the ice and me and the girls I represent. The one I name, squeeze that thing, them brains fly. Beat that thing, they no afraid and no. Them a try hold me down when me they in the sky. But I wanna blank, you no love no. Alright, well, and now you love me, baby. Squeeze and love me, love. And now you're jealous of me. Stay close there. Next one, come on, lose that. Thank you. Next one. We are running through the set. We're not wheels on time. Hey, 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 ladies. She's in love and that's a secret. Hey, giving me love and I got to. Oh, hey, she wrote so many love letters I run back. Hey, ladies, can I hear you scream? Essence of reggae. You're so lovely, I love you so. Oh my, oh my. We don't love wind up on stage, you know, come over here, son. Stand upside down, sisters, and show the essence of black woman. Represent Africa and all the beautiful women all over the world. We're not racist. Alright? Hey, this is what Jamaica produce, okay? We're not playing. Hey, thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carried me through. All those pain and suffering. No one knows the struggle you are, just only you. Give you all my love, yeah. Oh, thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carried me through. All those pain and suffering. No one knows the struggle you are, just only you. Essence of reggae. Mama, I would never let you down. I'd never go away, always be around. You know why you done it, such love what you found. Always gonna let you wear that. Through the roughest of times, you maintain your counter was your only help. By searching you from the storm. And when it's cold around, I call it so warm. A police officer's club with them make me sing that one, you know. Thank you, mama, for the 9 months. Yeah, boy. If you love your mother, put your hands in the air. Put 2 hands in the air for your mother. Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carried me. Pull up.
Great name? Jamaica Reggae Retreat, featuring Turbulence the Future.
Reggae Vibes Promotions presents Jamaica Reggae Retreat with international reggae star Turbulence. Join us in Montego Bay, Jamaica from April 18th through the 22nd, 2024. Spend 4 nights and 5 days at an all-inclusive Jamaican-owned resort on the famous Hip Strip, walking distance from the world-renowned Doctor's Cave Beach. Immerse yourself in the rich culture as you participate in a one-of-a-kind tour to 9 Mile St. Anne, the birthplace of Bob Marley.
But they told me not to smoke on the job. I'm not a good listener. So I end up lost my job 6 times. From Monday to Saturday.
Climb the stunning Dunn's River Falls and revitalize your soul in its many natural lagoons. Chat with Turbulence. Find out what inspires his music and then listen as he performs at a concert. Increase your knowledge of Rastafarianism with special 420 day activities. Visit reggaevibestravel.com for more details.
Give him a round of applause. Come on, a round of applause.